Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikita Sukhwani and I have qualified UGC NET examination in June 2025 with JRF AIR 16 from Commerce. So while preparing for this examination, many students have this doubt that whether they would be able to qualify it with self-study or they would require coaching for their preparation. So जब मैंने अपना फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया था तो that was completely based on self study. After that जब मैंने अपना सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट दिया था उसमें आई यूज्ड अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ द मेथड्स दैट वाज सेल्फ स्टडी एंड कोचिंग बट free coaching. It was freely available sources that I used. So based on my experience, I'm going to share with you that what are the things you should consider for self study and for coaching, and based on that you should decide that what suits best for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so before deciding on self-study coaching, let me give you a brief about what are the things you should consider if you are planning to do by self-study, if you are planning to do by coaching. Okay, so सबसे पहले, if you are somebody who has this doubt, many students have this doubt that self-study से UGC NET becomes difficult or self-study करने से you cannot qualify UGC NET examination, but based on my experience and based on many other students' experience which I have come across, qualify UGC NET examination with self-study. When you are going for self-study, you will require a lot of constant strategizing all the things for qualifying the examination. So ऐसा नहीं है कि self-study से easily हो जाएगा without any preparation, like luck and hit and trial से आपका हो जाएगा. This thing is not the correct thing when coming towards the UGC NET examination, because it is a competitive examination, right? So what are the things you should consider? See, अगर आपके पास ये प्री माइंडसेट है कि आपको UGC NET सेल्फ स्टडी से करना है, so first of all make this thing clear कि अगर आप सेल्फ स्टडी की तरफ जा रहे हो तो from the initial stage you will have to arrange all the things by yourself. Now what do I mean by that? कि starting से you will need to refer to syllabus, the exam pattern, understanding the question framing. आपको start वहाँ से करना रहता है because that is a strategy, that is something that you will start preparing for. I have already made a separate video regarding the strategy for qualifying UGC NET examination. You can check out on my YouTube page. So coming to the point that you will need to start by yourself. आपको exam pattern खुद से understand करना पड़ेगा, syllabus खुद से download करके understand करना पड़ेगा, and paper 1 में कौन से units है, paper 2 में कौन से, all the things you will need to plan by yourself. अब आप उतना करने के बाद you will also need to plan what are the books that you will refer. It will be the time management between paper 1, paper 2. उसके अलावा you will need to make the notes by yourself. And other than that, आपको खुद से PYQs solve करने पड़ेंगे. Obviously, you can take help of free sources, but even though PYQs को download करना पड़ेगा, you need to solve it by themselves. You need to understand the pattern. So, अगर आप self study के लिए जा रहे हो, तो you will need to do all the things by yourself. Coming to the point that if you are going for coaching, like आज के time पे there are so many coaching facilities that are available for preparing for UGC NET examination. So if you are going for that, तो आपका ये सारी चीज़ों का लोड ना कि like you will need to have the exam pattern, syllabus, बुक्स का जो प्रॉब्लम है, PYQs का प्रॉब्लम है, ये सारी चीज़ों का प्रॉब्लम ऑलरेडी कोचिंग सेंटर आपको एक सोल्यूशन के फॉर्म में प्रोवाइड करता है. लाइक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर कोचिंग, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको एक बल्क में यू विल गेट ऑल द थिंग्स. ओके, सो दिस इज समथिंग द डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन सेल्फ स्टडी एंड कोचिंग. कि सेल्फ स्टडी इज मच मोर रिगोरियस एंड हार्ड वर्क because you are doing it by yourself, while coaching me you will have experienced panel with you that will help out to have a strategy or at least have resources and all the things planned out to you. अब दोनों का कॉमन चीज जो अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, दोनों में सिमिलर चीज जो है वो है योर हार्ड वर्क एंड योर डेडिकेशन. लाइक यू कैन नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज on that in both the ways. सेल्फ स्टडी भी आप कर रहे हो तो आपको हार्डवर्क खुद से करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर कोचिंग तो भी आपको हार्डवर्क तो आपको ही करना है, पढ़ना आपको है, कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको समझने हैं. बट द ओनली डिफरेंशिएशन इज कि अगर आप सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हो तो विच विल रिक्वायर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. फॉर कोचिंग सो वो टाइम मैनेजमेंट थोड़ा इजीली बैलेंस हो जाएगा बिकॉज आपको कुछ खुद से अरेंज नहीं करना है. यू विल गेट all the things through coaching. अब you will get a lot of videos on people saying that they qualified by self study, but see, hard reality is it's important to qualify the exam. It is nowhere important that whether you have qualified by self study or by coaching. Now why I am putting emphasis on coaching? See, rather than giving on more and more number of trials, it is better कि आप एक सही सोर्स को पकड़ो, वहां से आप रिसोर्सेज को कलेक्ट कर लो एंड उन रिसोर्सेज के ऊपर आप अपनी कॉन्सेप्ट्स को क्लियर करो एंड ट्राई टू क्वालिफाई दिस एग्जामिनेशन. सो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू इज कि यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. आइदर आप खुद से करो और अदरवाइज आप कोचिंग से करो, दैट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ किसके लिए क्या बेटर सूटेबल होता है? सी, एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट जर्नी. लाइक व्हाइल आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन, I did not had other responsibilities. Like what I mean by it, that I was not working at any place. Though I qualified set examination, but even though मैं कहीं पे assistant professor और lecturer और visitor किसी भी form में काम नहीं कर रही थी, so because of that I had a lot of time. Lot of time means I had at least 6 to 7 hours of a day that I can allot for preparation of this examination. Okay, but it is not the case for all the people. Somebody are already working as a lecturer or somebody are at guest faculty. So what happens that for them time management is something which is difficult thing, because obviously you are working a full-time job, you are working or a part-time job, but you will need to give that much time to that job. So for them I think self study becomes a bit difficult thing, क्योंकि resources को arrange करना, time management करना, planning करना, you are the only one person responsible for that. So for them it is difficult, but for me it was not, because I was preparing it by my own self. I was not responsible for other things, so I could dedicate that much time to this examination. Now if you are somebody who is already in your masters, so आपके लिए self study करना would be easy. It is not that much difficult because you are continuously in that phase of learning, and moreover you are also related with the concepts that are going to be asked in examination. आपका अगर आप masters में हो तो आपके लिए self study करना थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी यू आर लर्निंग द कंसेप्ट्स एंड यू हैव टू अप्लाई दैट थिंग इन यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन. एंड उसके अलावा इफ यू आर समबडी हु इज नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग वाइल मास्टर्स एंड हु इज वर्किंग, एज आई सेड अर्लियर, आप वर्किंग हो एंड यू कैन नॉट अलॉट दैट मच टाइम, तो आई थिंक कोचिंग वुड बी द बेटर ऑप्शन. एंड इफ चलो फाइनेंशियली कोचिंग में भी दैट, obviously not everybody can afford the coaching because it is a big deal. For many centers I have seen it is a big amount of finance which is difficult. So आपको क्या करना है कि see, first of all, even though I am saying कि coaching से आपका easily हो जाएगा, but have this thing that ऐसा भी नहीं है कि self study से you cannot do it और coaching से ही होगा. I am not at all saying that. The only thing is have a clarity about you yourself, about your character in your mind. लाइक अगर आपके पास उतना टाइम है, उतना विलिंगनेस है और डेडिकेशन है, सी टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज अ थिंग. ये जो तीनों चीजें मैंने मेंशन की, अगर आपके पास नहीं भी है, सो इफ यू आर वेरी मच इनटू क्वालिफाइंग दिस एग्जामिनेशन, तो आपको इन चीजों को तो अरेंज करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आप खुद से यू हैव दैट विलिंगनेस, तो आप डेफिनेटली इस एग्जाम को क्लियर कर सकते हो सेल्फ स्टडी से. यू हैव दैट फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट कि आप कोचिंग के थ्रू कर सकते हो, so it is not a problem. If you qualified by coaching also, I don't think there is any problem in that. क्यों? See, I have done it with self study, but I know my points कि मेरे पास इतना टाइम था, मैंने resources खुद से arrange किए, and I had that one attempt from which I learned a lot. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड, मैंने अपने प्रॉब्लम्स, अपनी जो मिस्टेक्स थी उसको सॉल्व आउट किया, टाइम मैनेजमेंट प्रॉपर किया, एंड यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म जो फ्रीली अवेलेबल वीडियोज़ है मैंने उसका बहुत ज़्यादा रेफरेंस लिया था. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट मेरा एग्जाम क्वालिफाई हो गया था. आई न्यू दैट आई हैड गिवन दैट मच टाइम, बट सो at the end the basic difference is कि nothing कि you cannot qualify it with self study. Okay, there is nothing like that. You can, but the only thing is that you will require a lot of dedication by your own self. Compared with coaching, आपको डेडिकेशन किस में दिखाना पड़ेगा? फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. okay, because you will have the resources by you and you will also have somewhat strategy. So I hope that I somewhat helped you clarify your doubt regarding what suits best for you and what actually works out. See, both the methods are good at their own places. It only depends on your willingness and your ability for qualifying the examination. At the end तो आप कोई भी source ले लो, आपके concepts clear होना ही important है. Because if you are somebody who is appearing in the examination of UGC NET, okay, majority of the students have this dream of becoming an assistant professor by qualifying this exam. So it is not only limited to this examination. If you feel that UGC NET करने के बाद तो you'll need to qualify and life would be set out as an assistant professor, so no, that is not true. It is not only about the examination, it is much more beyond that. So self study or coaching, try to make your concepts clear. That is important. Don't make yourself feel guilty regarding self study or regarding coaching. Both the methods are good enough. So I hope that I helped you out to understand the difference between both of them and what suits you, and that's all. And see, if you liked my video, then subscribe to the channel and like the channel for more such videos.